When you embark on the restoration project of a 1962 Jawa 252-stroke, you're not just working with a classic motorcycle, you're also participating in the revival of a piece of history. This is no small challenge, especially given that the bike has been abandoned for a long time, with a broken 250cc engine and a body covered in rust. From the very beginning, you realized that this was not an easy task. The motorcycle has endured many years of neglect, and every detail reflects severe deterioration. Rust on the frame and a malfunctioning engine are significant issues that need to be addressed. However, you've prepared yourself to overcome this challenge and have started by thoroughly assessing the condition of the bike. Given the state of the Jawa 250, creating a detailed restoration plan is crucial. You have had to identify the areas needing repair, such as the frame, engine, and other components. Finding replacement parts has also been a major challenge, especially for such a classic model. Jawa is a renowned motorcycle brand originating from Czechoslovakia, now the Czech Republic. The company was founded in 1929 by František Janeček, who began producing motorcycles with two-stroke engines. The name Jawa is a combination of the founder's name and Wanderer, the name of a German motorcycle company that Janeček had collaborated with. Jawa is famous for producing two-stroke motorcycles, and the Jawa 250 was one of the key models in the 1950s and 1960s. The 1962 Jawa 252-stroke model was part of the company's product line aimed at meeting the needs of the mid-range motorcycle market. Please stay tuned to our video for the next part of our restoration journey.